Hey y'all, my name is JenoviaRealle. If you're new here and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Thank you for coming back to watch my stuff. So we're going to keep this intro short and sweet. The video should be short and sweet, but we are reviewing or installing and letting you know and telling you about this new synthetic wig I just got. It's from Shake and Go. It's Snatched. It's called Snatched. No glue, no gel, no adhesive, glueless lace front wig. This is what it's looking like, and I have the color 1B. Girl, it took me a while to review this wig, and it started as a middle part, and because you guys always see me in a middle part, I decided to put this in the side part. And baby, all I gotta do is cut some layers in it, and we'll be good to go. It's so cute. But yeah. Without further ado, let's go ahead and move on to installing this wig. Say that you miss me, just come get me. With the city on slam, she did trippy off Zans, lost 21 grams, and she did it on cam. Wasn't no video dance, make my own rules. I really don't pick, I just choose. I don't set things, I just shoot. Shopping is cool, I told her it's BYOB. That means buy your own boobs. Put it on God, you the one to put me on top. Can't be good in the box, gotta move on the op. Never got the move on the drop. Niggas tryna move on the sky, and we move that deep. Tryna run down shit steep. Gotta act a fool with the squad, next city, no sleep. Back to the 713. Spent 10 hours on this flight, man. Told the pilot ain't no flight plans. Can't believe whatever I'm saying, and they know whenever I land. Yeah. Heartbreak hotel, we can't take no L's. Blood like AOL. You said that I ain't gon' sell, and then you hate yourself. She said I got it, nigga. I said I ain't gon' tell. 5 by the pound, so it ain't no scale. I'm sick of the drink. Okay, y'all. So, taking a quick pause because I'm kind of getting tired of the side part, not gonna lie, because the last wig that I just reviewed, just put it out today, it's kind of looks like this already. Body wave, middle part. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn around and put it as a side part today. I might go ahead and cut, because it's like the way the wig is constructed. I might go ahead and maybe cut either a side part or a flip over. I don't know if I want to cut it yet though, but we're going to do a side part. Yeah, we're doing a side part today. Okay. I think that's going to look cute. That's going to look cute. Yep, that's what we're doing. All right. We're going to continue on. Spending hours on this flight, man. Told the pilot ain't no flight plans. Can't believe whatever I'm saying, and they know whenever I land. Yeah.
Okay, y'all. So I put it to the side. I put on some makeup. If you would like a makeup tutorial, I got you. My camera's about to die, so I got to cut this up. But hopefully I don't look crazy. So I used this. I forgot I had this. I bought it off of TikTok. Where's the top? I don't know. I bought it off of TikTok. It's just a lace, like, melter. So we're going to see what it's hitting for. So the lace on this is okay. I think I might have put a little bit too much makeup right there. It's a little orange, but you know, it is what it is. It is what it is. I think on the next install, this is going to be true. This is truthfully honest. I'm not going to sugarcoat nothing. I'm not going to try to fix nothing because I got somewhere to go. But I think on the next install, I'm going to try to do something a little different, a little better. I'm probably going to cut this piece down so it look like some baby hairs. But yes, this is what it's looking like. And I am 5'11". This is where it comes down on me to the top of my lower back. Top of my lower back. So yeah, I'm glad I did a side part because the middle part, I'm just like, y'all already seen this and it's the same color. I just get the same color all the time anyway. Okay, you guys, we're back. My camera died, and while it was charging, I went to Ross and I came home and then I changed my shirt. So, well, I changed my shirt and then I went to Ross. But anyway, this is the end result. I am probably going to try to cut some layers into this. I don't know if it's going to be a continued am I gonna make it a side part wig? I don't know, but so far it's working pretty good. Now let me lower this a little because I don't know where we stopped at, but this, I am 5'11", and this is where it falls on me, right above here. And yeah, it's pretty big head friendly. The cap is big head friendly, I must admit. I put a non-slip wig band under here in my cap. I used this little lace melting spray that I got off of TikTok. I don't use it very often. I think I might go to I'm gonna go to Dollar Tree and see if I can find like a brush, like a little mini makeup brush, so I can actually put this on how it's supposed to be put on. But ain't hooters, I'll show y'all that. But yeah, this is the end result. I really do like it. I'm gonna install it in a different way. It says no glue, no gel, no adhesive, glueless lace front. I could probably get away with not gluing this down, but as you can see right here, I'm gonna have to. I'm going to have to. So at the end of the day gonna end. All right, so comment down below if you liked this wig. I will link it down below along with all the other things that I use for this video. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Truly appreciate it. Like, comment, subscribe, and bye.